I'm at the Antique Truck Club of America's Baystate Chapter truck show on July 31st, 2011. Right now I'm watching a United motor grader in operation. Here we have the United motor grader putting on a demonstration showing what it used to do in its heyday. And we have another shot from a different angle of the United grader. Can you tell I'm fascinated by this thing? I just happened to be in the right spot to catch a shot of this old tractor going by. Looks like it's designed to resemble a Rumley oil pull. I'm not sure if it actually is or not. This Fordson came in on this trailer a few minutes ago, and I decided I would stick around and see if I could watch them unload it. Since this is a truck show, I thought I should get a shot of at least one truck before the day's over. This one's a little newer than most of the trucks here. Now I'm watching several Mack trucks come in. First one is a Mack P81 10-wheel dump truck. Followed by a newer model Mack dump truck. And one more Mack 6-wheel dump truck just for good measure. We've got an old Euclid rock truck hauling a load of dirt through the show. Right now I'm watching an old auto car wrecker. It was just unloaded and it's making its way to the show area.